Alright, well, I guess I'm gonna do a low light test because I procrastinated going for a walk. So it's like, what time is it? It's like 6, almost 6. So guess we're gonna get sunset POV walk now. Oh, that's pleasant. Oh, got the moon up there. That is pleasant, actually, not sarcasm that time. What's up, Wild Hearts? I'm sure you guys are probably the only ones watching this, so just wanted to address you personally. I thought I would come out and give the new camera a test before Nicolette gets here tomorrow. Should I climb through the snow right here? Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Let's just carefully... Okay. Alright. You think this is like all ice? Nah. Nah, there's texture still. Alright. Jesus. Whew. Yikes, that is ice. Okay. Alright. Alright, I got this. I'm good. That was like a little slope. So, I freaking slid down that shit. Alright. I'll walk through the snow, but not through... I was gonna walk through the basketball court, but that's not a good idea. I'm just gonna walk over to the path through here. Yeah, so it's a cool test, I guess. It's pretty well lit around here, at least, so that will help with the learning. Make it a bit less noisy in the footage. Good test of how the stabilization is also with walking in the snow right now, and I'm just holding the camera in my hands, so I didn't feel like trying to squeeze a chest mount over 2 hoodies and a puffer jacket, so I decided to just do a little handheld for this one and see how it is. Alright, that's a really nice post sunset there. I'm not sure how well the color is going to be once I look at this on computer, but looks nice in the viewfinder, at least. You know what I'm talking about, the screen viewfinder. Alright, I'm old. Sorry. Sheesh. Alright, I'm gonna go down the trail and not the stairs, because that doesn't seem like a good idea to me. Should we do a little snow walking ASMR? It's mostly ice, so... Look at this. They sledded so much that it's just dirt now. I am not equipped for this. I need some boots. I have boots, but they suck and they're old, so they don't really help much. I tried to wear them the day that it actually did this storm and got a whole bunch of snow in them anyway. Like, they did jack. More sledding spots right there. Oh, The sky is almost losing its hue now and becoming full night. Sheesh! I could go friggin' ice skating right now. It's only like, I don't know, 25, I think? 25 Fahrenheit? I don't know what that is in Celsius, sorry. Off the top of my head. It shouldn't be this icy, I would think. But we haven't had this much snow in like a long time, so I probably just forget what it's like. And this is going to be extra bad trying to get through right now because this is where they sled. I can't even... Oh, frick! I can't even get grip on my shoes because they sled all over this, so it's like completely slick. Can't even. You'll just completely just slip and slide. Alright. I think this might be the end of the road for me. Because I know for a fact that if I try to walk through there, I'm completely just going to fall. Which is not a safe idea for me in my condition. Don't need to hurt my other wrist. Alright, we're done. It's getting too dark now anyway. It'll be super nighttime test footage. Although not really right here with all these lights, but whatever. I gotta figure out a way to get down to the field. It's definitely dark over there. Yes, it's the same view that you just saw. Sorry. I kind of wanted to keep going, but you know what? How about we go a different way? Through the other side of the park instead. It's just more trail and field and playground, but it's a nice park. I mean, I started recording when I left my place, so it literally took, 3 or 4 minutes to get here. It's not bad for being so close. I like hanging out down in that pavilion, especially like during sunsets and early mornings. It's pretty relaxing in there. When it rains, it's nice because like just drips off the sides. Sometimes there are people there though, so it's not quite as peaceful when there's people, but at least you don't have to worry about that right now. Winters are good for coming down here. Never anyone to bother you, really. You might see like one person walking by, and then they'll just disappear. Ah, they sled right here too. I can't get by here either. Frick. Alright. Well, I tried, guys. I tried. The kids had too much fun here. I would slide down it myself, but I don't have anything to sled on, so And I'm not sliding on my butt, so not happening. Alright. Let's go this way then. Head back towards home. Maybe cut down the other street for a bit. See how that is. I gotta do my job in this snow, which isn't that big of a deal. You know, there's people who have to like drive hours in this crap, but I gotta climb through all this freaking snow just to get to the post office. It's a literal journey just to deliver people's packages because they need used DVDs and sweaters and North Faces and shoes and stuff in 10-degree weather. Oh geez. Alright, I'm just gonna slowly slide down this. Alright. Whew. Yeah, so that's fun. You know, going on a whole mini climbing adventure for, well, it's about 5 minutes there and 5 minutes back, but with all this, it's probably closer to like 8 or 10 to get there. Had to climb a snowbank the other day to get to the bus for my occupational therapy appointment. I was like, you gotta be kidding me right now. There's a whole ass, I gotta climb over this shit? Oh, good times, good times. What are these guys doing? You, okay, alright. Yikes. Alright, this is shoveled at least. It's not too bad. This is actually like, well, today and yesterday I think were the first days that it's been in the 20s Fahrenheit. Before that, all week it was like either single digits or in the teens. So we do not typically get that low, especially for that long. Like we might get like a day or two of super freezing cold, but to get all that here is crazy. That's insano style. Look at this. I mean, it's been a week now. It was last Sunday, and there's still this much snow. It's gonna take frigging forever to melt. I'm gonna be leaving to go to Florida in a couple weeks, and there's still gonna be a bunch of snow. Oh, jeez. Alright. I guess I will just end it here, because I'm just going to turn back around where I just came from and go home, so no point in showing you the same things yet again. So I'm curious to know what that sky is going to look like. Alright. See ya!